Hi, this is architect Nimish, the founder of Cooter. Today, I welcome you to the second episode of Renover. Renover is a series where we renovate houses and make our dream home. Today we have a compact and a minimal studio apartment design, which areas are around 465 square feet, which was specially designed for Just Neil Thing, a very viral content creator on Instagram. The brief was to convert the living area into a studio space where it will be used as a multi-function space, for learning space, then a dining area and also a workstation area. Then the second requirement was to demolish the toilet and bathroom, and then convert it into a huge restroom area, where we have a shower pocket. Then we have a WC area and a mirror with basin area, and also washing machine with laundry storage area. So this was the compact restroom area. The third requirement was to convert the bedroom area into a studio space, like a creator studio. This was a rented apartment. So once the tenant moved out, the room was really in a mess. We removed all the existing furniture first. The first thing we did was we changed the flooring of the whole house to a grey satwario, which created a nice base for the whole house. Then we added two open bookshelf from IKEA on the both side of the window. Then we added tropical curtains again from IKEA, which were half height. The whole ceiling and the wall of the room was blended in a curved manner. We added wooden rafters on the ceiling for the studio feel. We added track lights on the rafters for studio effect. As we have wall paintings on the wall, to highlight it with a spot, we added a track light on the ceiling. We added a nice small chandelier in the center of the house. We have restored the old sarg door by painting it with elegant blue, complementing it with golden strips. Then we have added a shoe rack just beside the door, and a cozy dining table in the corner of the room with a perfect lighting setting. Firstly, we closed the concealed wardrobe space with a shutter crafted from cane sheet sandwiched between wooden slats. Then we added a white small mirror from IKEA, and then a blue highlighted blinds. We also made a sleek workstation setup with deco finished drawers and trending neon lights. We totally transformed a tight space bathroom and toilet space into a luxurious one, a huge one, with a mixture of retro and modern look, by giving a vintage tile on the shower area and in the center of the bathroom. Thank you for watching the video till here. Do let us know in comment section your favorite part of the design, and also to see the all episodes of Renover, click here and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We are 12,500 strong family on Instagram, so do follow us on Instagram. We are ready with the next content creators house, the house of curves. You must be knowing it if you are following us on Instagram, so do follow us on Instagram. Till then, thank you and see you soon.